up, guys? It's your girl Jewel Artistry. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing a review. Oh yeah, wait, make sure that you give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Comment anything that y'all want to see, whatever the content that you guys want to see from me. Makeup, hair, I do it all. I can do it all. You can do anything you want to do if you put your mind to it. Amen. Okay, so this hair came in this package. It's from Ali Annabelle, and we're just gonna go ahead and unbox it. It is Ali Annabelle. And the Instagram is Ali Annabelle here _01. So you can share your post, tag them on Instagram, and you enter yourself into a chance of winning $10 cash. So it's $10 off whatever your next style is. $10 off. This package did come with lashes, a pair of 3D mink lashes, but I already wore them, and they're not in this box anymore. So that's not in here. But the wig is still here.
Alright, so the wig comes in this reclosable poly bag. If you don't know what a poly bag is, it's not a Ziploc bag. It's a bag that you pinch close. And I got the 14-inch bob wig in natural black or natural brown hair. It's really, really pretty, you guys. The texture is amazing. It's super soft, super shiny. It's not too frizzy. And it came with a piece of paper on the inside just so that you can keep the structure to the wig. So I took that out just so I could do this video for you guys. The lace is medium brown. It's not really transparent. It's not HD, but it's very thin. And you might have to go in and bleach the knots. And there's not much parting room, as you can see. So you can only do a middle part. It comes with combs in the front, sides, and back, and 2 adjustable straps in the back so that you can adjust it to your head size. And yeah, that's about it. I really like it. They already cut it on the end so that, well, it's already a bob wig, so they cut it into a bob for you. But if you want it shorter or if you want it sharper, you can go in and have someone do that, or you can do it yourself on your mannequin head, whatever. It doesn't have a smell. It smells so good. Very clean hair. And yeah, this is the middle part. I was just showing you guys. This is it, guys. Get into this wig. If you want to purchase it, I will leave the links in my description box so that you can purchase it. It comes in natural brown and 613, I believe, so that you can dye it whatever color you like and have fun with it. Okay, right here, you guys do not pay me any attention. I was just like really having fun with this wig and testing out the body movement. My daughter was boosting my head like, "Mommy, yeah." But listen, let's get into the look because we're not gonna go on about this, okay? Actually, I want to thank my boyfriend for helping me out and customizing my wig. He wanted to do the bleaching, so I let him. And he did a pretty good job. All I did was let him mix up the bleach, the powder, and the developer into a bowl, mix it up, and I did the rest. But thank you, babe. The products that I had used here are the BW2 bleach powder, and then I used some True Color developer in 30. Just something cheap from Sally's. It's affordable, and it gets the job done. My boyfriend was really like having a hard time stirring this stuff up because it was so strong on his nose. And he got a whiff of what us females go through whenever we have to do hair or whenever we go get our hair done, or you got a stylist. Stylists go through this every day. I'm pretty sure they have masks that they put on, but we didn't have a mask, so it was making us tear up a little bit. So I used Shimmer Lights shampoo just so I could tone the yellow down the red tones, the orange kind of vibes. I didn't really want that. So I just went on ahead and used my shimmer lights to tone the hair. And once everything is out and you're fully confident that it's clean, then you can go ahead and rinse it out, let it dry. Oh wait, make sure you condition the hair too as well. I didn't record that part, but make sure you condition the hair so that it has that extra moisture, so that your part or your lace front doesn't shed as fast, I guess. Here I am with my Set It Off braids. I'm just going to moisturize my hair with some coconut oil from GX. They have some really great products and it smells so good. I got this neutral cap from Sally's. And I'm going to put the cap onto my head so my hair is protected at all times. It's a protective style, so you got to protect that hair, boo. You have to. And once that cap is on and fitting, adjusted to your head properly, you then want to go in and cut out the ear part so that the cap lays flat as you can get it to be. So here I'm gonna take my Got To Be spray, my what is it? Blasting Free spray, I think that's what it's called. I'm just going to spray that all onto the front of my hair so that this cap doesn't go anywhere. I'm spraying around my ears, so whenever I cut the excess the excess cap off, it won't be going anywhere. And everything is dried flat. And whenever I have blow dried my hair, I did not record this, so that's why it looks like I'm going super fast, but I'm really not. That's just the power of editing. Here, I'm just using the Warrior palette from Juvia's Place to put that onto my my neutral cap so that it's the same tone as my skin. I use this shade whenever I do my makeup for my contouring, so I figured maybe if I do it on my hair, everything will look more seamless and more natural, and it did. Once everything is together and you have enough of that product on there, then it's gonna look really, really good. I did my first layer really light. I tried to go on, I wanted to go on heavy, but then I thought about it and I was like, wait a minute, I just need to take it easy because this is my first time really doing my hair for real. And this, I think, taking your time, when you take your time, everything comes out so much better. Even with makeup, take your time. When I had put the wig on at first, I saw that there was still some lace that was visible throughout the edges of my wig, and I had to go in and cut some more off, and I went back and forth. I'm going to be doing that a lot during this installation, just so I can make sure that everything is in place and everything is perfect. Like I said, I take my time and I make sure that everything is perfect, because it has to be perfect. Like, you don't want to be out here walking around looking crazy. Like I said before, I'm going to be doing a lot of back and forth with cutting this cap because I don't want it to be seen through the lace. And because this is not a brown cap, it is a little bit lighter than my skin, even with the powder. So I'm going to keep going and cutting in more of that cap so that I can get it to the placement of where I want it to be, so it's not too close onto my eyebrows and I have all my forehead room. Everything is looking good. You cannot see the lace through the wig. My edges are still protected and intact, so I'm going to go ahead and cut off the excess cap from the back of my head, just like this. Make sure you take your time, don't rush. And we're also going to cut the excess waste from the back of this wig too. And then you can throw that away because we don't need it at all. Next, we're going to clean our forehead off because after putting all that makeup on that cap, you got makeup on your face. And you cannot use the glue when you have makeup on your face. It will not stick and it will not work as good as you thought or expected it to. So we're going to go ahead and clean that off so that we can get the full potential of the glue and you can have your style for at least a week or two. I got this glue from Amazon. It's called Lala Magical Bond plus Collagen. And when you use this glue, you want to make sure that you put 4 layers of glue. Okay, 4 thin layers, sis. Not 1, not 2, not 3, but 4. Because you want to get the full potential of the glue, like I said before. So here I'm just going ahead and doing my first, second, third, and fourth layer. We're going to speed right through that because the drying process takes a long time. It will not that long, but it takes long enough, and I'm not going to go into details about that. Okay, so whenever everything is dried clear, you also want to make sure that it's dried clear. It goes on whitish, bluish, but you want whenever it's clear, it's fully done. And I went on ahead and put on my wig, and now I'm just pressing everything into place. And while that does that, I'm just going to go ahead and put on my band. And I'm just going to let that sit for a good 10-15 minutes. Look at how good that looks. The knots are bleached. My edges are looking amazing. I still got my forehead room, my eyebrow room whenever I want to do my makeup. Everything looks good. And it feels so good. The glue isn't heavy. It's not irritating. It feels really, really good. And I love this. I love the fact that it's thin. And I love the fact that the glue isn't too harsh. It has no scent. Everything is just like really perfect. So if you want some of this glue, I will also put that link in the description box for that. Everything that I use in this video will be in the description. Okay? So here I'm just cutting off the excess lace on both sides. I had split it up the middle first, and then I had to cut it down one side at a time. And now I'm gonna cut off the ear parts so that the wig will lay down around my ear and not on top of my ear. I still need my ears. So now I'm just going to make my baby hairs just to help disguise the edges a little tiny bit more because my edges look really good by themselves. So I didn't really need the baby hairs, but I want them. Okay, and here I'm just going to use a little bit more coconut oil to add moisture back into my hair after I had washed it and everything. And because I was feeling these little S waves, like these little body wave type of curls. It's not really body wave, but it looks like I just stepped out of some water or something. So I just wanted to enhance those curls with a little bit of oil. And yeah, this is it. This is the final look. I love it. I hope you guys love it. And if you're really interested in my channel and the looks that I do, I'm trying to get into this hair thing, so you guys support me on that, please. I need it. And yeah, make sure you subscribe to my channel, give this video a big thumbs up, comment, and you know, I'll talk to you guys later.
I can't feel no evil. Screaming free all my brother, there's a lot of this is the one with the kids, I know that they miss them. We gon' be alright, we gon' be straight, just believe.